Stay connected. With the My BMW app, you get mobile access to your car and to BMW services and stores. Here's how to get started. Once you've downloaded the app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, log in with your BMW ID. Or if you don't have one yet, create one in the My BMW portal online. Use the app in the pre-delivery mode to enjoy your new BMW even before it has been delivered. Or connect your car as shown in our other how-to video after delivery. Ready? Let's get an overview. All good. In the Vehicle tab, you get an overview of your car's status and remote functions at your fingertips. In My Trips, you find detailed information of your trips and personal driving behavior. For electric BMWs, the Charging Hub provides many features for public and home charging. Find your way. Use the Map tab to search for points of interest like parking, fueling, or charging stations. And plan trips and send it directly to the car. Check out the Explore tab with news and practical tips how to make the most out of BMW products. In the Message Center, you will find personalized information with topics that need your attention. The BMW Services and Store tab is your gateway to BMW services. Get direct access to BMW Connected Drive upgrades, your preferred service partner, financial services, and the BMW stores. Or book a test drive to explore your next BMW model. Go to the Profile tab to adjust your personal settings. Use the Help Center whenever you need it and manage your data privacy. Get the most out of your BMW from anywhere with the My BMW app.